Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Saral Japani. I am Sujoy Chatterjee and I am here with my Japanese lessons, a simplified and easy to understand course for the beginners. This is the fourth lesson today. The first three were introductory ones in which we discussed the general background of Japanese learning, the concept of sounds in Japanese, and a brief description on the different scripts used in Japanese along with their origin and evolution process. In today's lesson, we shall start learning the Japanese alphabets in Hiragana script. If you are yet to watch the previous three videos or the previous three lessons, please do so as we have given an introduction of Hiragana there. So happy learning. This is the Japanese sound system that we looked into in one of the last lessons. So as you can see, it has been divided into three parts. So what are these? To recap, the left side portion, it's called Gojuon and it constitutes the vowel sounds A, E, U, A, O and the primary consonants starting from ka, ki, ku, ke, ko till the end of this section, which is wa, o, and na. Then we have the dakuon, which are a group of murky sounds: ga, gi, gu, ge, go, za, ji, zu, ze, zo, da, ji, zu, de, do, and ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Then we have the handakuon, which are semi-murky sounds, and there is just a single line pa, pi, pu, pe, po. And then we have the yuon, which are the blended sounds or the composite sounds, which are formed by the consonant plus the e sound plus either ya, you, or yo sound. That is kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, and so on. So we will see each of these in detail in the upcoming slides. The hiragana script. As you can see here, these are the hiragana alphabets, and the first line is the vowel line a, e, u, e, o. Then we have ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, you, yo, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, o, n, ga, gi, gu, ge, go, za, ji, zu, ze, zo, da, ji, zu, de, do, ba, bi, bu, be, bo, pa, pi, pu, pe, po, kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, mya, myu, myo, rya, ryu, ryo, gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, pya, byu, byo, and pya, pyu, pyo. So now we shall learn to how to write each of these characters and how to practice them on the notebook and some words formed using these letters. That is, we shall start building the vocabulary. So hiragana script, stroke order for writing the alphabets. So it is very important to note the stroke order for writing these alphabets. So let's see how these alphabets are written. The first is the A sound. So this is the A letter, and how we write this. So the first stroke will be this horizontal line from left to right. The second stroke will be the vertical curved line from top to bottom. And this is the third stroke, which will be like this. So in three strokes, we have to write this letter or this sound A. The next is E. So this is the symbol for E. So there will be just two strokes, the first stroke, the left one, and the second stroke, the right one. The third letter is U. So how do we write it? First, this top stroke, and this is the second stroke. This is U. Then we have A. It looks like the Z alphabet of English. So this is A, the first stroke, and in second stroke we will write the second part. So this means in two strokes we are writing A. Then we have O sound. So first this horizontal stroke, then this vertical stroke, and we continue here like this, and then we bring it till here, and then the third stroke here. So this O sound constitutes three strokes when we write it. So these are the five vowel sounds: A, E, U, A, O. Now we proceed with the consonant sounds. The first in the series is Ka. So this is the Ka letter in Hiragana. So how do we write it? Here, first we write this stroke like this. Then we have this vertical slanted line, the second stroke, and then the third stroke like this. So this is how we write Ka. Then the second one in this line is Ki. So we write first this horizontal line, the second horizontal line, and this is the third stroke in which we complete the letter. Ku. Ku is pretty simple one. So there is just a single stroke like this. Then we have K. There are two parts, or I should say three parts in it. This is the first horizontal and like this. The second one is the horizontal line here. And the third one is this vertical line and a little slanted towards the end, towards the bottom. Ko. This is the symbol for ko. And in two strokes, we have to write it. So this is the second line of the alphabet system, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Then we start with sa. Sa, first this horizontal line, and the second stroke will be like this. So in two strokes, we complete sa. The next one in this line is she. So as we discussed last time that there is no C, there is she in Japanese. So there is no C sound in Japanese. So she, as you can see, just a single stroke here. And then we have Su, the next letter in the series. Su is written like this. First, this long horizontal line, and then this, the second part in a single stroke. Then we have Se. Se is written in three strokes as it is clear from the symbol. First is the horizontal line. Second is the vertical and then this flat portion here. And then the third stroke like this. This is Se. And the last sound in this line is So, which is written in a single stroke like this, the horizontal part, and like this. This is So. Next is Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To, this line. And the first sound here is Ta. So as we can see, the Ta is written like the first horizontal line. The second stroke will be this slanted vertical line. The third will be this horizontal small line. And the fourth is this one. So as you can see in Hiragana, although we have lines, but these are not totally straight. These are neither completely horizontal nor completely vertical. They have some slanting in it. They have some curvature. They are little rounded off. So this is kind of cursive writing as we discussed in the last lesson. The next is chi. There is no ti in Japanese. Instead of ti, we have chi. So this is how chi is written. First we have this horizontal line and then this second portion like this. So in two strokes we complete chi. Then we have tsu. Tsu is just a single stroke alphabet. So this is tsu. Then we have te. Te is written also in a single stroke like this. Then we have to. As you can see, there will be definitely two strokes. The first stroke is this, and then the second stroke like this. The next line is na, ni, nu, ne, no. And the first sound is of na. So na, there are several strokes as we can see. The first stroke will be this horizontal stroke, then this slanted vertical stroke. Then we have this kind of curved line, and then the fourth stroke like this. So this makes the sound or the alphabet na. Ni. Ni is written like this. First this horizontal, first this vertical segment, and then these two small or short horizontal segments. The third in the line is nu, nu sound. So this is how it is written. This first, this vertical little slanted stroke. Then we have the second stroke, and this is a continuous stroke and it will complete the letter like this. Ne. Ne is written like this. First, this vertical line. Then the second stroke will be like this. It will go like this and it will be completed like this. And the last symbol is no. It is again written in a single stroke. It will start from here and it will go like this and a curved portion like this. So we have learned a, e, u, a, o, and from ka, ki, ku, ke, ko to nani, nu, ne, no. All these vowels and consonant sounds we have seen today, the stroke orders, and now we will practice this part. So I will write them on my in my notebook, and you can view this video so that when you practice, you know how you have to write. So the more you practice, more better you will be able to write. So let's start. I begin with a. So I will write each sound or each letter 4 times just for the sake of practice. Now I'm writing E sound. So the more you practice, the better will it look like. U sound, A. So it's not that perfect. So it needs a lot of practice. Now I'm writing O sound. And this completes the vowel portion. Now I begin with Ka sound. So this is the letter for Ka, or I should say the symbol for Ka. This is Ki, the Ki sound, Ku. It's pretty simple. Ku, K. It's better to write on a graph paper or in the mathematics notebook where we have those cells made. So that will give you a better uh, understanding of the shapes of these symbols. So after finishing ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, we are now at sa, she. This is the alphabet she. This is su. This is like the English T. It has some resemblance with the English T. Su. This is se. Se. And the last one in this line is so. So. The ta sound line begins now. Ta. This is the ta alphabet. And then we don't have ti, we have chi. This is the alphabet chi. It's not accurately written. So more you practice, more the accuracy and more correct the symbols will look. So this is te and finally the to alphabet. The last line for today is na ni nu ne no. So I'm writing na at the moment. This is na. Then we have ni. Ni is pretty simple. Ni, nu. This is the nu symbol. Ne. This is ne. It looks beautiful, isn't it? This is ne. And the last one is no. Quite simple. So I hope you have liked this practice, and I would recommend you that you also practice in your notebook, because practice will only make you perfect in writing these letters. So now we shall look at some words that are formed using the alphabets or the sounds that we have just discussed. So in a sense, we are going to start building our vocabulary of Japanese words. So let's see which words we have today. Asa. Asa means morning. So you can see here, this is a, this is sa that we have just learned how to write. Asa. This is morning. Ashi. Ashi, a, and she, ashi. This is leg. Ashta. Ashta is tomorrow. And the point to be noted here is that although it is written as a, she, ta, the pronunciation will be ashta. She will be pronounced very lightly. So the E sound in she will be pronounced very lightly. So it will not be ashita, but it will be ashta. Ashta means tomorrow. Ase, sweat. Isu, chair. Inu, dog. Ishi, stone. Ito, a female child. Ue, above. Uta, song. Ushi, cow or bull. Uchi, home. Eki, station. Eno, bay. Oni, demon. Okashi, snacks. Again, note here that we don't call it okashi, it is okashi. Osaka. Osaka, there is a double O sound here. So Osaka. It's not Osaka, it's Osaka. Kani, crab. Kasa, umbrella. You all know the Japanese umbrella is world famous. So this is that one. Kasa is the Japanese umbrella. Katsu, it's a deep fried cutlet of meat. Katsu. Ki, tree. Kitsune. Kitsune is red wolf. And here you should note that the su sound will be a little lighter. So kitsune. It's not kitsune, but it's be kitsune. Kuchi, mouth. Kusa, grass or weed. Kushi, skewer. Kutsu. Kutsu, again, Here you should note the sound. It's not kutsu, it's kutsu, kutsu, shoes. Kesa. Kesa means this morning. Keitai. Keitai is mobile phone. Kono. Kono means this. Sakana. Fish. Shika. Deer. Suika. Watermelon. Sushi. The famous Japanese dish we all know. It's made of rice and fish and other materials. Sake. It's a special Japanese liquor, alcoholic drink. Sentaki. Sentaki means washing machine. Taco, octopus. Tanuki, raccoon. Chi. Chi means blood. Chikatetsu. Very important word in that is used in Japan, and it's for the metro station. Sorry, it's for the metro rail. So Chikatetsu metro. Chikatetsu. Mind this pronunciation. It's not Chikatetsu. It is Chikatetsu. Chikatetsu. Tsukue, table or a desk. Te. Te means hand. Nasu. It's not nasu. It's nasu. Brinjal. And neko. Neko means the it's the cat, Neko. So, friends, that's all for today. Hope you have developed some interest in writing Japanese letters, and we shall continue with hiragana in the next lesson as well. Till then, do practice what we learned today, and see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye. Sayonara.